Welcome back to another episode of Drink Tales. And today, another springtime beverage I see. What are we doing this time?
More like a summertime beverage,
but spring seeps in the summer, and it's supposed to be in the 70s and 80s this week.
Yeah,
so
mostly 80s, but
yeah,
it's counting. So I was on the internet and people were talking about Brazilian Limeade, and I was like, ooh, neat. So I looked up how to do it, and there are several ways to do the Brazilian Limeade. The way I did it does not involve chopping up whole limes. So there you go. Mainly because I don't want the white part, the bitter white part that comes in the lime. I don't want that bitter taste in the limeade. So I made the limeade with just the lime juice. And if you want to put some lime zest in there, that's fine. But I didn't bother to do that. It's just the lime juice and the rest of the ingredients. And so this is what we have here. What we are going to do is, you know what? You're going to taste this first, okay? He hasn't tasted this yet. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to taste this. Taste it before you start mixing. And you can tell me what you think. Very frothy. It's pretty good. Oh wow, that's delicious. It's almost like a pina colada. Oh wow, so great, right? Okay, so take that, and we're gonna add some alcohol to it.
Everything tastes better with alcohol.
And we'll keep it simple this time around. Nothing too complex, but I came up with something. Keep that in there for a moment. We're going to do some Cedilla. Okay. And people are probably wondering, why are you gonna shake? I mean, why not? We'll do half an ounce of the Cedilla. Okay. I figure Brazilian Limeade or Brazilian Spirit. Now this is Acai. Look here. Does Acai go well with limes? Citrus as well as berries, like blueberries and such. So, we'll put that right there. Let that be the star for the day. There you go. Let that be the star for the day. Okay. We are going to finish this off with 2 ounces of rum, white rum. And I chose Flor de Caña. Haven't seen Flor de Caña on here in a while. Have not. Definitely. And then, so here's where I come at an impasse. I want to shake this with this, but I don't know if I should or just top it off. If you top it off, then you know what? We'll meet the middleman. Okay. I'm gonna do 3 ounces of this. 3 ounces of this stuff. We're gonna add our ice. is this limeade? How it makes you feel.
How it makes me feel.
Get up in there.
That's pretty boozy. That's pretty good. I'm tasting a mixture of both of these, and it's coming together for a rather concrete flavor. Like one isn't overpowering the other. It's really good. The frothiness adds to it as well.
And the Flor de Caña fortifies that perfectly. The Cedilla and the limeade in and of itself cuts that edge off and gives it a, how do I want to describe it? You get that milkshake. Yeah, there it is. That's what I was. A taste to it. That's from the condensed milk. Yep. This will mess you up.
Yeah, especially if you're not careful. So what are we naming this?
I don't know.
A Brazilian smoothie?
Nah. Nothing like that.
Well, maybe this is another one that our viewers are gonna have to come up with the answer to.
Yeah, we're gonna need you guys to pull your weight on that.
Yeah, if you guys have an idea for what to name this concoction, put it in the comments of the video or on Instagram or wherever we are at. You know, you can even DM us about it if you want to. Let us know, you know, because we're curious. We don't have a name for this. This is what happens when you're just messing around and you don't think about the consequences.
I just decided I wanted to do limeade one day and filmed it. So.
Yeah. But with that said and done, it was delicious. And you guys should check it out. We are going to put the recipe down below in the lower section. Also, we'll put the recipe for the limeade down there as well. Specifically the way you made it. And like with all our drinks, you guys can try it out at home and make it for yourself. With that said, that'll do it for this episode of Drink Tales. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so that you're notified of all content that's coming to the channel. Also, check us out on Instagram and check us out on Twitter. And
if there is a liquor, spirit, wine, beer, some type of snack, some type of dessert, hell, I like steaks. Steaks are neat, and seafood. You know, you can never go wrong with that. You know, even breakfast food. Let us know about it, especially if that specific item that you are talking about is not easy to get in the United States or in the state of Georgia in particular, or it's something that's underappreciated. Let us know. Hit us up in our DMs. You know, maybe we come to an arrangement. Maybe you send it to us. Maybe you tell us how to get to it. You know, meet us halfway here, people.
And that also goes for locations. If there's like a bar, restaurant, speakeasy, steakhouse. You know, you mentioned you like steak. Seafood place, delicatessen, food truck, brewery, distillery, anything that has food and beverages that you think we might enjoy. Even if it's just your favorite joint from down the street. No bullcrap like McDonald's either.
Yeah.
don't
do that.
Don't say this McDonald's is the best McDonald's ever and it's the one by your house. I can go to any McDonald's in the country.
I don't know if this counts, but let's, throw this out here. There are some fast food places that are not native to Georgia that we have not gone to. So maybe you guys tell us about that as well.
Okay. We'll let you slide on that. We'll let y'all slide on that.
I've never been to Whataburger. Is Whataburger any good?
Yeah.
I know there's one I think they're in Florida.
Are they? I thought they were in California.
I thought I saw one pop up in Florida.
Well, whatever. When we go to Florida, we'll figure it out.
But prioritize the restaurant.
Exactly.
Right. And I mean a good restaurant, not like a Chili's or anything like that.
Exactly, yeah.
Like a real restaurant. None of that play stuff.
But with that said and done, everyone, we will see you guys next time, and peace.